What's up, you freaking geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve an exponential equation, all right? And this one was requested. So if any of you guys ever have a request, just let me know in the comments section below, all right? So here we have 9 times 3 raised to the n plus 2 is equal to 81. Okay, so the goal is to isolate the variable right here, n, right? So the first kind of easy thing we can do on this side is get rid of the 9. And we're going to do that by dividing by 9. And remember, what you do to one side of an equation, you do to the other, right? So then on this side, these 9's cancel out. So then we're just left with 3 raised to the n plus 2 on this side, right? 3 raised to the n plus 2, and then that's equal to 81 divided by 9, which is equal to 9. Okay, now one thing you want to look out for with these problems are for perfect squares. Those are normally hints, okay? So 9 right here, as you know, is a perfect square, right? So 9 is equal to 3 squared. So one little clever thing we can do with this 9 is rewrite it as 3 squared. So then we're going to have 3 raised to the n plus 2 is equal to 3 squared, okay? So as you can see, the reason we wanted to do that is because now we have the same base, right? We have a 3 and a 3. So we have 3 raised to this junk right here is equal to 3 raised to this junk. So all we're going to do is set the junks equal to each other. We're going to set n plus 2 equal to 2, okay? N plus 2 is equal to 2. And then to solve for n right here, we're going to get rid of this 2 by subtracting 2 on both sides. These cancel out, so then we get n is equal to 2 minus 2, which is 0. Right? So then your answer right here is n is equal to 0. And it's always a good idea to check your answer. So let's plug in 0 to this original equation right here. Okay, so then I'll just write it off to the side right here. So we have 9 times 3 raised to the 0 plus 2. But 0 plus 2 is just equal to 2, right? So we could just simplify that as 2. And then we're saying that that's equal to 81. Okay, so simplifying this, remember, order of operations, right? PEMDAS. So first parentheses, then exponents. So we have an exponent here, so we'll simplify that first. So 3 squared, that's equal to 9, right? So we're going to have 9 times 9 is equal to 81, right? Is this a true statement? It sure is, right? So that means our answer right here, n is equal to 0, was correct. So if you found the video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have any other questions or want to see any other examples, just let me know in the comment section below.